You were telling me off air, you've got a view on oil. Everybody's got to have a view on oil, I guess, if they're in business in Russia. How much damage is it really doing?
Well, I think right now, obviously, the economy declined significantly because of the oil reduction, but we believe it will stay in a 40 to 65 band maybe for the next couple of years. There were some attempts to go below 45, but you see the oil recovered quite a bit. And we actually are believers in oil long term because the world economy is growing, so the recovery is definitely going to come. I think there are some speculative players who are trying to reduce oil price even further, but they will see some pressure from the market given the cost structure of many of the firms, including the US firms.
They're getting the green light though, Kirill, from Russia, from Mr. Novak, from Mr. Sechin, from Saudi, from everyone. The suppliers have said, including Russia, we're not taking our barrels off the table as well. Can it really rally in the medium term with that as an environment?
Well, again, we need to ask some oil ministers as well, but we believe that middle term oil will not go dramatically down below 40 because of the cost structure of some of the firms. And I think we believe that within 2 years the recovery is definitely going to be happening.
You talked about investment not stopping because of the crisis between the West and Russia at the moment. You and I and Jeff spoke at St. Petersburg International Economic Forum, and I'm pretty sure your message then was, well, there are other investors in the world who are still very keen to invest with the RDIF in projects in Russia and beyond as well. How's that been going since we last spoke? Is it still a case where there are a lot of Middle Eastern or perhaps Asian investors more looking to partner you?
Yeah, we're investing quite a bit with China, with Asian investors, with Middle Eastern investors. We actually soon going to announce an investment in Vladivostok airport with some of the largest Asian investor in the world. And basically that's a big hub for the region. And there are 400 million people within 2-hour flying distance from Vladivostok. We are also investing with Middle Eastern investors in 2 projects we've done at the end of the year. So we continue to invest. Many people slow down, but longer-term investors understand that the potential is out there because, for example, Russian market in dollar terms increased 7 times after the crisis in '98 in 2 years and 5 times after the crisis of 2008 in 2 years. So there is definitely upside potential, and many long-term investors understand that it exists.